Hello everyone, this is Akash Gully from Hyderabad Gully. Welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I'm vlogging at this time. I mean night. Majority of my vlog starts from the morning itself. Unfortunately, I didn't have any content to make since from the morning. To be honest, since from 2 days itself. Right now I got some. So first things first, I need to go and meet Maripati Harish Babu. Where is he? He stays near to, what do we call, Ratnadeep. Let's hit that place right now. He should be here itself. Where is he? This fellow don't give enough information which makes sense to us. No accuracy at all. Mari Babu, da. ఇది వద్దా? అయ్యా లేదురా, కింద పడేసి ఇట్లా రాసుకుంటా పోతా, ఇద్దరం ఇట్లా పోదాం. Right now we are at Dilshuk Nagar. Normally I don't prefer this route. Since it is a Saturday, I don't think there will be much of a traffic issues. Let's take a chance. We will get to know more. Since it's showing very low fuel, good thing I brought my wallet again, getting back to my home. Actually I forgot my wallet where it has all the documents and debit card for swiping. Though there are so many options of UPI and Paytm, PhonePe, etc, etc, I don't believe in State Bank of India. Majority of time it won't work, showing a notification that experiencing a low server issues and etc, etc. So I better carry my own wallet. Normally I don't forget that easy. Somehow it happened. You see this traffic? Extreme. Oh my God. Red signal again. Lurra Babu. Skipping the traffic is the best option for you people. Oh, क्या कर रहे काका? తాగిందా? Bah, Hyderabad traffic is enough to make a human get irritated. It triggers like anything. Again traffic. Chat. I think there is a drunk and drive check-in. No wonder why it's getting too complicated. Though I'm not sure about it. Need to check once again. Yeah. Whether it's a regular check or a drunk and drive, no information about it. See? You know? Ew. That is Raj Bhavan route, and we are heading towards I don't know exactly the name of this area, but there is a Mercury Hotel where one of my examination of IELTS taking has taken place. You see, Mercury Hotel. Okay. We need to take left from Panjagutta metro station. This is towards Amirpet. Before that we need to take left and go straight. Oh, by the way, I didn't explain where I'm going. This is a Krishna Nagar. Since Maripati has a dubbing studio, Jaguar. Wow. Right. Even this fellow is taking right, huh? What the hell? Yeah. I don't know whether you can see in this darkness or not. This is a dance studio and upside there is a dubbing studio. Light on kar Mia. Sometimes it feels like it's a ghost house, you know. See, it's a big place. Unfortunately, this wall was temporarily made. It was divided by the owner itself. Behind this wall, there is a interior designing business is going on, and the rent is also splitted. See, from 35,000 to 25, I think. So I'm not sure. Now you can see clearly. Now you can see clearly with the lights on. You see all this wood. Let me show you. Finally done with the work. I didn't expect this kind of work from here. The more we are trying to get rid of these situations, it's harder for us to maintain too. I mean, even if we have to sell that wood, other things, we are not getting a fair price. So we decided not to sell those goods and everything. It's better we use for another purposes, which might be give more efficient. What's going on here? Huh? I don't know exactly. Even at the time of like 2 o'clock, you will find somewhere, one way or another, you will find so many vehicles parked, and they will get out of the car, have fun capturing. You know, this area is very famous. Even you see the food section, okay? Ice cream. So many, not only bachelors but the families also. You can find so many people over here. I mean, Nagar. Straight go to